Planning to visit Jungfraujoch in Switzerland. Before you go, there are a few things you should know because this trip is not cheap, not quick, and definitely not something you want to mess up. In this video, I will cover everything you need to know so you can enjoy the experience instead of figuring things out at 3000 meters. Let's get started. Jungfraujoch is known as the top of Europe. It is the highest railway station in Europe, located at 3,454 meters above sea level. You will find snow here all year round, along with breathtaking views of the Alps and the famous Alpes Glacier. It honestly feels like you have stepped into a completely different world, or at least a very expensive one. Jungfraujoch is not just about views. It is also an incredible engineering story. The railway was proposed in the 1890s, and construction started in 1896. It took 16 years to complete. Workers carved tunnels through massive mountains in extreme conditions. The railway finally opened in 1912, and even today, it is considered one of the greatest railway achievements in the world. To get to Jungfraujoch, you first need to reach Interlaken, Grindelwald, or Lauterbrunnen. From there, you have three main routes, depending on whether you want speed or scenery. The fastest option is via Grindelwald. Take a train to Grindelwald Terminal, then the Eiger Express gondola, and finally the cogwheel train to Jungfraujoch. This is the fastest route, taking around 45 to 50 minutes from Grindelwald Terminal and saving you over an hour. Second route is the scenic route via Grindelwald. Take a train to Grindelwald, then the Wengen-Alp Railway to Kleine Scheidegg, and from there, the cogwheel train to Jungfraujoch. This route is slower, but the mountain views along the way are absolutely beautiful. The classic route via Lauterbrunnen. Take a train to Lauterbrunnen, then travel via Wengen to Kleine Scheidegg. And finally, cogwheel train to Jungfraujoch. No matter which route you choose, everything is extremely well connected and easy to follow. So don't stress too much, just pick your route and enjoy the ride. Now let's talk about the painful part, the cost. This is one of the most expensive train journeys in the world. To save money, use a travel pass or book in advance, because last minute tickets might give you a small shock even before the altitude does. The best time to visit is from May to September. Winter is beautiful too, but clouds are more likely. And this is important if it is cloudy. You might see nothing, just white clouds everywhere. So always check the weather unless you enjoy paying for views you cannot see. The first trains start around 8 am. Last return is between 4:30 pm and 6 pm depending on the season. Plan at least 5 to 7 hours for the full trip, with 2 to 3 hours at the top. This is not a quick visit, this is a full day experience. It is cold all year round, so bring warm clothes, jackets, gloves, everything. Also carry sunglasses and sunscreen. Yes, sunscreen, because snow reflects sunlight like crazy. Start with the Alpes Glacier, the longest glacier in the Alps. Then visit the Ice Palace Jungfraujoch, a tunnel made completely of ice with sculptures inside. Walk carefully, slipping is not part of the itinerary. Next, head to the Sphinx Observatory. This is the main viewpoint with a 360-degree panoramic view. Be ready for strong winds, how your balance, your hair, and your confidence will all be tested. You can also step outside into the snow area, walk around, and just enjoy the moment. There are restaurants, washrooms, and elevators available. Very tourist friendly, but food is expensive. You are basically eating on top of a glacier, so enjoy the view and try not to look at the bill. Don't go late. Don't skip checking the weather. Don't forget warm clothes. And don't rush. The biggest mistake? paying full price and seeing nothing but clouds. Yes, it is expensive, but standing above the clouds, surrounded by snow-covered peaks, is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. If it fits your budget, it is absolutely worth it.